Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install Irish shaders for Minecraft 1.21.11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write Irish shaders, or just go to irishshaders.dev and then press on download now, and then press on download universal jar and then save it to your desktop. Next up, what we need to have here is some shaders. So let's go back a bit. Let's write shaders. Then go to Modfriend, and I like to have complementary shaders reimaged, right? Go to versions, select game version, and select 1.21.11 as well, and download to your computer here. Next up, what we need to do here is to go to Irish installer here. Of course, before you do that, make sure that Minecraft and Minecraft launcher is completely closed. And then, as you can see here, select the right version here and press install. If you're getting some sort of error and Irish and Sodium is not installing, that's why, because you don't have Java. So go to browser and then you just need to write Java download and download Java to your computer here, and it should work. Next up, what you need to do here is to open up your Minecraft launcher. Then go to Minecraft Java Edition, installations here, and then select Irish and Sodium 1.21.11 and press play, right? Then I will show you what you need to do next. Next up, what you need to do here is to go to single player and then select the world that you want to play and wait until the world loads up. Then what we need to do here is to press escape, go to options, then go to a video settings here, and then here should be shader packs. Press on shader pack, then open shader pack folder, go to desktop, and then here select shader pack here, right? Or simply just drag and drop it here. And as you can see here, this is the pack, and then what you need to do here is to press apply. Wait for a couple of seconds, and after that press done, and let's go back to the game. Now X-ray is here, so let me close it. Now let's look. This the world looks without shaders like this, and if we go to options, video settings, shader packs, as you can see here, the world should now with the shaders, the world looks like this. So probably you see the difference. And yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.